Guys, today we will study about prefixes for SI units. This one is the units other than SI units. Right now, this one comes in its power. So, just like you see that prefixes for SI units or matric prefixes. Matric prefixes. It is just like a SI unit. So, just like an SI units, it is in its power of 10. Like millimeter and kilometer. So here we will see a graph of power of tens. Therefore, here just we can draw a graph. So what we are seeing, you just suppose we are starting from 0. 0 is there, and from here just like 10 raised 1, 10 raised 2, 10 raised 3, 10 raised 6, 10 raised 9, 10 raised 12, 10 raised 15, 10 raised 18, 10 raised 21, and then 10 raised 24. Alright, accordingly, below this 0, there is 10 raised minus 1, 10 raised minus 2, 10 raised minus 3, 10 raised minus 6, 10 raised minus 9, 10 raised minus 12, 10 raised minus 15, 10 raised minus 18, 10 raised minus 21, and then 10 raised minus 24. So this one is your prefix. So this one is called prefixes. So right now this one is your prefix. Prefixes. Okay. Accordingly, this one is 0. So simply this is called 0. 10 raised to 1, this is called deca. 10 raised to 2, this is called hecto. 10 raised to 3, this is called kilo. 6 mega, this one is giga. Tera, peta, exa, zeta, and this one is iota. Alright, like that, this one is also represented by its own name, and that is called 10 raised to minus 1. This is called deci. Minus 2, 10 raised minus 2 centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto. Zepto, and this is called iocto. And then its symbol, because we have written this one, but now in every time it is not possible to write like that, because that becomes expanded form. So we need its abbreviation, that is symbol. Alright, so 0 having symbol 0, so nothing need to write. But now from here we will write. So for this one, deca. So deca by its symbol, this one is represented by DA. Okay, this one is DA. Now hepto. So H. Kilo. This one is K, and this K is capital. Mega. This one is M, and this M is capital. Giga, capital G. Re, tera, capital T. Then peta, capital P. Then exa, capital E. And then zeta, capital Z. And then iota, capital Y. Accordingly, we will write here its symbol like deci. So deci is simply represented by D, small d. Now centi is small c. Again milli is small m. Micro is represented by this symbol. Now this is called mu. Nano by a small n. Pico by small p. Then femto by small f. Again atto by small a. Then zapto by small z. This one is small z. And then iocto by small y. So this one is the symbol, and this is also called prefixes for SI units. Otherwise, it is also represented by matric prefixes. And you are seeing here that all these are power of tens. Okay, so 10 having power minus 1 to minus 24, and now at upside from this 0 there is 10 raised 1 to 10 raised to 24. So accordingly we will use all these before SI units. Okay, but apart from that, some such a SI prefixes which is not mentioned here, but that one is very popular, but that one we use, so we will use here. So see in some notes, some note be there, like angstrom, just like 1 angstrom. So 1 angstrom, that means what? 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, so this one is also you're seeing that this one is also a 10 raised minus 10. So 10 raised minus 10 is nothing be there, only 10 raised minus 9 be there. And you're seeing here that 10 raised to minus 9 is represented by nano, that is this one. Okay, so we use this one. So how you can use this one? So you see here an example, just like someone writing that 100 kilometer. So something just like 100 kilometer. So someone writing that 100 kilometer. Now you are seeing here that 100 kilometer, this is too long. Kilometer be too long. So in short, how you can write? 100 be there. So 100 for kilo, for this kilo, you can simply write K, and for meter M. So you are seeing here that for kilo, K is small. See, this one is small, this one is small, and this one is small. But from here, for mega, everyone will be capital. So you see here, from here to there, this one is represented by capital letter. Capital letter. And this one is, and from here to there also, all these are in small letters. Small letters. Alright. So this is the way of representation. Like second example, you can take here, just like that someone is writing like 2 millimeter. 2 millimeter. So you are seeing milli is there, and this becomes 2 longer. So in short, 2 be there, 2 is numerical value, millimeter. So meter is represented by M, and milli is also represented by M. So this one is 2 mm. That means 2 millimeter. So that is the use of power of 10. That's why we use these SI prefixes. Now here you can take some other examples also in its conversion. Like an example, just like example 3. One question will be there that convert 2 centimeter into megameter. A question will be there that convert 2 centimeter into megameter. So how you can convert? So it's very simple. Just write down for its solution. Simply write down that 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, and you have to convert this one in megameter. So how you can convert in its mega? So first of all, you know that mega, that is 10 raised to 6. See here, this one is your mega. Mega, that is 10 raised to 6. So you have to go there. So first of all, you analyze this one, that 2 centimeter. You first of all remove this one. So 2 centimeter can be written as 2, and for centi, that is 10 raised to minus 2. See here, centi be there. So 10 raised to minus 2. So replace this C cross 10 raised to minus 2. So centi be there, and then meter be left. So 2 centimeter is equal to 2 cross 10 raised to minus 2 meter. You got it there? Now again you have to convert this one into mega, because you want mega meter, and mega, that means 10 raised to 6 you want. Alright. So see here, now just 2 cross 10 raised to minus 2, you want 10 raised to 6. So because you have taken 10 raised to 6 from your own side, then you need to divide 10 raised to 6. That means your this numbers that will be balanced. Alright. So this one is also divided by 10 raised to 6. And now meter will be there. See, 10 raised to 6 is mega, and this one is meter. So you need it. You need it. See here. Alright. Then this one is 10 raised to 10 raised to 6 is left in its denominator. So whenever you will take it in numerator, that becomes negative. That is 10 raised to minus 6. Already you have 10 raised to minus 2. So the sum of 10 raised to minus 2 plus 10 raised to minus 6, that becomes 10 raised to minus 8. I am just going to analyze this one. Just like, see here. Just like you have 10 raised to minus 2 cross 10 raised to minus 6. We have taken this one in numerator part, and this one is mega meter. You got it? This one is mega meter. You want this mega meter, so you got it. Now, so that would be 10 raised to, so when base be same in its multiple, then power will be simply added. Okay, so here you got 2 cross 10 raised to minus 8 mega meter. So this one is your answer in its conversion. So anytime if someone asks in its conversion, so how you need to make it convert, and that will be correct and very easily. This one is the process. Now here we can take one more example. Like that, we just take one more example, just here. So example 4. If someone want to convert suppose 2 or 5 kilometer into angstrom. Angstrom, that is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, so you have to convert this one. So see, you have in kilometer, kilo, that is 10 raised to 3. So you first of all simply write down in its solution, that is 5 cross 10 raised to 3. You have this one meter, and now you have to convert this one in its angstrom. So how you can convert? Simply write down 5 in there, and then 10 raised to 3 in there, and then you want angstrom, that is 10 raised to minus 10 meter you want. So 10 raised to minus 10 will be there. So also you need to divide this one by 10 raised to minus 10. That's why you this number and this system will not be unbalanced. That would be balanced. Okay, so this one, see, so now this becomes in meter. So 10 raised to minus 10 meter, that is your angstrom. See, this one is in your angstrom. So that becomes angstrom. So what is left with here? See here, what is left with here? There is 5 cross 10 raised to 3, and in denominator there is 10 raised to minus 10. So in numerator that becomes 10 raised to 10, because here this one is negative. So upside that becomes positive, and this one is angstrom. Now after doing calculation, that would be 5. Simply the sum of this one, 5 cross 10 raised to 13 angstrom, and this one is your result.